Okay, so heartily welcome, my dear legendary leaders and my legendary speakers and legendary students are there. And heartily welcome to BJC final year. And congratulations to everyone. And today we are going to discussing about new start class. Yesterday already given the syllabus. Already given complete syllabus na? Already given complete syllabus na? Joha? Complete for 50 paper?
3 units is there.
Okay, 3 minutes, all 3 minutes you are given, Sushmita?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, nice, very good. Okay. So, very important. I would like to start introduction today. What is the importance of our third year syllabus? Mainly, the third year, how many papers are there, ma? 2 papers are there. 2 papers. One is DSC, second one is DSE. DSC, nothing but disciplinary specific course. Disciplinary specific course. That is animal physiology and physiological chemistry. What ma? Number 1, animal physiology and physiological chemistry. And next paper, that is DSE. DSE means what ma? That is disciplinary specific elective paper. What beta? Disciplinary specific elective paper also there. That is in our syllabus, our elective paper, that is fisheries. Okay, today we are going to start the 5th paper, that is DSC. DSC means I would like to give complete over picture. What are the importance of that? I think very much, very well. Did you have lunch, all of you? Did you have lunch?
Sir.
Okay, nice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For what? Yes, very nice. Okay, actually, morning breakfast, afternoon lunch, night dinner. For what purpose we are eating? For what purpose we are eating? Okay. So
Energy, sir.
say answer. Anybody can say the answer. Radhika,
For energy, sir.
Surviving purpose.
Bushra. Here your Krishna is there. No other person. You must be start your video and give the answer. No problem, right? This is a virtual classroom. Bushra, tell me, beta. Bushra, tell me, Nana. For what purpose we are eating? Come on.
For ourselves, for survival purpose, we are eating.
Okay. Then only survival. Only survival. Okay. Radhika, you can say you say ma.
Survival is the one of the reason. There are so many reasons.
Okay. Yes, so many reasons. What are the reasons? For what purpose we are eating? For example, due to pandemic situation, yeah. This due to the pandemic situation, so many doctors will be given to suggest you must be eat nutrients, you must be eat immunization food, you must be eat total carbohydrates, you must be eat something strengthened food material, right? Yes or no, beta? For what purpose?
Yes, sir.
Rekha. Wow, Rekha is welcome back. Queen is welcome back, na Rekha. Tell me, beta.
Immunity purpose.
Rekha. Okay, Rekha, tell me, beta.
For energy purpose.
Ah,
For immunity purpose.
this classroom, this session is going to recording. Ma, you must be say louder. Yeah.
For immunity purpose.
Ah, very good, excellent. Immunity purpose, right? Okay, next.
We eat, we will get energy. If we get energy, we will do our works like going somewhere and do our personal works, and so many works we can do.
Yes, very nice, excellent. Joha, you say ma. Okay,
Just now I said, sir, for
yes.
immunity purpose. This is the main reason.
Okay, only for immunity. Okay,
No, sir.
yes, not only for immunity, beta. Yes, very good, excellent answer, Johan, Bushra, and Rekha. And Radhika, what is your opinion?
I have said, sir, to get energy.
Okay, you'll get energy. Okay, you must be imagine. For example, afternoon lunch, exactly 1 o'clock, in your stomach, rats are ringing. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Rats are ringing. Okay, of course, in the stomach there is no rats, but rats are ringing. But really, truly, rats are there in your stomach? No, that is a biological clock. That is called what, ma? Biological rhythm, biological clock. Okay, na? So that's why,
Yes, sir.
what purpose? So many people are said excellent answer, like development, Gustav said development, immunity, Joha said immunity only, and Radhika said to be energy purpose. Okay, for example, and what about Varun? Okay, this is a virtual classroom. You must be active.
Sir,
You must be active, ma. Don't passive. Okay, tell me, Varun.
we get the అంటే we get energy and అంటే our body needs some kind of nutritions like proteins అంటే proteins carbohydrates ఇంకా కొన్ని అంటే juices లాగా it we need for energy for daily survival.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay, right. Okay, very good, excellent, Varun. Okay, thank you very much.
Digestive
Ah,
system, circulatory system,
ah,
all this
yes. Very good, excellent. So, for what purpose we are eating? For example, our breakfast, our lunch, or dinner, whatever it may be. Uh, Rekha, you must be mute, ma. Whether I while asking the question, you must be give the answer, right? Otherwise, you mute it. ఎవరైతే క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నా అప్పుడు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని మాట్లాడండి, రైట్? వెదర్ ద పర్సన్ టు ఆస్కింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్, యూ మస్ట్ బి అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ అండ్ యూ మస్ట్ బి ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్, రైట్? ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. Okay, so I would like to start overview of our fifth paper, that is DSC. Okay, for what purpose we are eating? That means, for example, so many people are giving for energy, right? For energy, right? For immunity, okay? For the development, growth and development, okay? Body development, everything is there. For example, so we are eating. The eating system is what we can call it here? Eating system, the eating total anatomy is called what, my digestive system. We already discussed it in previous semester, like pigeon digestive system, rabbit digestive system, everything we already done. Almost all nearly the digestive system, circulatory system completely, almost all they are completed 100% level in all previous comparative level, right? So in this our syllabus, fifth paper, physiology and physiological chemistry. Simply what we can call it, physiology, animal physiology, so physiology and simply what we can call it, biochemistry. Simple what we can call biochemistry. Your title is physiology and biochemistry. What is physiology? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say? Anybody can say? Sandhya, చెప్తావా? What is physiology? Come on, tell me, ma. Physiology. Remembering one thing, very very important. So the physiology is study of metabolic activities. What, ma? Physiology means what, beta? Study of metabolic activities. Yes, anybody can say them. What are the metabolic activities? Okay, tell me. So, study of metabolic activity, nothing but we are eating. That is one of the metabolic activity. Eating means what, ma? We are eating with hands. We are achieving mechanism, digestive mechanism, like mechanical digestion will be takes place in the mouth. That is mechanical digestion. With help of mouth, tongue, teeth, and pharynx, esophagus, everything will be here. So totally, the mechanism, the first mechanism started with mouth to end with anus, right? That is a first metabolic activity, that is called digestion. Okay, after digestion, Rekha, Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, no? Okay, done. So after digestion, so we want energy. We want energy. So we want energy, ATP energy. We already discussed it in cell biology, mitochondria. So many people are given a fantastic seminar. Okay, wonderful seminar. Okay, so that is mitochondria. Busra given for mitochondria. Joha given mitochondria, right? So the mitochondria, the power of houses of the cells. There no sir. By the respiration, right? Okay, we want require energy. The requirement of energy. We want need of energy. These nutrients, okay, these simple compounds break down by using of oxygen. That is called breathing, inhalation and exhalation. That is called respiration. Respiration is one of the mechanism, one of the metabolic activity, right? Here one of the connection is there. What connection? For example, what connection? For example, this is a digestion. This is a a respiration. Okay, right? Here after digestion, then what happened ma? So we want energy. Let me ATP energy. This is a respiration. This is a digestion, right? But between the digestion and respiration, one of the metabolic activity is there. What metabolic activity? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say? If it that metabolic activity is not there, completely our system should be shut down. What is that? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say? Anybody can say that one? Right? Any idea? Any idea? Bushra, Gila, Riram, Joha, Ajita, Shiva. Shiva, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me beta, what? Tell me beta.
Don't know, sir, about all this.
Don't know? Okay, leave it. Okay, you can mute it. You can mute it. Okay, I would like to reveal. For example, after digestion, for example, we are eating. You already done exactly 1 o'clock. You already eaten. Okay, so something food, whatever it may be, carbohydrates, proteins, whatever. After so nearly 4:24 is there now, right now the time. Nearly 3 hours are completed. 4 hours are completed. That means completely your stomach should be empty. That means what ma? Here one digestion mechanism is completed. So that's complex molecules converted into simple molecules in the presence of hydrolytic enzymes, right? So what happened ma? Simple molecules nothing but glucose, fatty acids, and amino acids. These amino acids are directly enters into what ma? The cell require ATP energy. The cell required what beta? The cell required ATP energy. The cell required what beta? ATP energy. Okay. The cell required ATP energy. But what happened ma? The ATP energy production purpose, what we are required? Already we discussed. Glucose we should want. Right? After digestion, the glucose present in the intestine, but in the finger, but in the tongue should be required energy, finger should be required energy, mouth should be required energy, but total body should be required energy, right? Okay, but these energy body cells required production of ATP energy. But how? But glucose is there in the intestine, right? Try to understand. Glucose is there in the intestine. But how should be the glucose is enters into cell? Understand my concept? Okay now. So because of your final years, that's why I'm going to apply it. Because of after graduation, you are going to entrance. You are going to entrance level, right? Here. So here what we're discussing, come on tell you ma. The very important question. Actually after digestion, the glucose is there in intestine, right? In the intestine, glucose is there, but the finger required ATP energy. eyes are required ATP energy, mouths are required energy, but you are sitting completely 1 hour class, right? But you complete your body should require ATP energy, right? Without ATP energy, we can't live. Without glucose, we can't live. For example, remembering one thing, the brain nutrient, the brain main nutrient is, that is what ma? Only glucose. Only glucose. For example, morning 6 o'clock, morning 7 o'clock, you breakfast done. But afternoon should not eat. Could not eat any lunch. And night could not eat any dinner. What happened? Come on, tell me. What happened to in your body? What happened to in your brain? Come on, tell me, ma. Anybody can say? Anybody can say the answer? All are passive. I want reflect your answer. Ma.
Energy loss aitu.
Energy loss aitamu tinakapothe. What happened, ma? Whether you are not eat in food material, there is no energy, right? If there is no energy, there is no
Strength to do work.
right. So what my question is, try to understand my question. What the question? Come on, tell me. Actually, after digestion, the glucose is there in the intestine, but brain required glucose. Try to understand the question. This is applied question. Actually, glucose is there in the intestine, but brain required glucose. Eyes are required glucose. Mouth are required glucose. Total body required glucose. But how the glucose is going to reach that places? Anybody can say the answer? I want excellent answer. Come on, tell me. Any idea? Any idea?
Sir, through our blood, glucose will be reach everywhere, na sir?
Very good. Excellent. Bushra. Excellent, ma. Very nice. I want that type of answer. That is the Krishna Sir students. Okay, na? You want the Krishna Sir students, legendary students, not normal students, right? Okay.
Of course, sir.
Yes. Okay. So, very good. Excellent answer, ma. Bushra. Congratulations. Okay, right. So, because of that the blood is required. Here, digestion and respiration. We required ATP energy, respiration, of course. After digestion is required, of course. But between the connection is there, na. Between the connection, the one of the main metabolic activities there. That is already given the answer. Excellent answer, Bushra. That is circulation. Blood circulation, ma. So, without blood circulation, that means another topic, right? Without blood circulation, what beta? So that glucose should not reach to the brain. Without blood circulation, okay, the nutrients should not reach to any other parts. SRS. Come on, tell me, SRS. What happened, beta? All are going to pass. This is a virtual classroom. Okay, you must be entertained, not passive. You must be entertained in your classroom. Okay, you must be imagine just like classroom. You must be just imagine. Yes, Krishna is there between the in front of the board, right? You must imagine. You must try to interact with the. So the classroom is fantastic classroom, and you must be create wonders, right? Okay, digestion is completed, one of the metabolic activity. Circulation is completed, one of the metabolic activity. Respiration is completed, one of the metabolic activity. Right. And one more metabolic activity is there. What? Tell me, ma. Eating, breathing, circulation is completed. What next? What next, madam?
Excretion.
Excretion.
Very good. One person. One person to give. Excretion, Bushra. Shiva, tell me, beta. Shiva. My video visible? Bushra.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay, thank you very much. Right. So that is none other than excretion, right? Very important. So whether the excretory waste material is there after digestion, after respiration, after circulation, total excretory material should be ammonia product should be formed in the body. Product to be removal from the body to outside. That is called excretion. That is one of the metabolic activity. Right. Next. Okay. Excretion is done. Totally remembering one thing. And digestive system, circulatory system, and excretory system, and everything, all systems are, for example, heart circulation purpose. Heart circulation purpose. The hands, remembering one thing, the hands total body for the movement purpose. What we required? Come on, tell me. Anybody can answer? Anybody can say the answer? Anybody can say the answer? For example, I already showed different gestures. I think my video is visible. Ma?
Yes, sir.
Visible? Yes. Okay. I already showing different gestures. Different gestures are already showing. And mouth or tongue are dancing. Lips are dancing. Lips are movement. Hands are movement. Through the body is movement, right? But the movement of the body mainly responsible by what is there? Come on, tell me.
Because our brain is connected with our gestures.
Very good, very good, very good. Excellent, Mike. That's very nice. Right. Okay. These total all systems, right? Remember one thing. These total all the anatomy system, all metabolic activities which are controlled by the brain. Brain is the main boss. Brain is the main boss. Okay. That is very, very important. That is called, we are discussing about without nerve impulse. Without nerve impulse, the muscles. Without nerve impulse, the muscles should not contracted. Without muscles, the heart should not contraction expansion. Heartbeat should not take place, right? Without nerve impulse, okay. So the muscles should not contracted. Without nerve impulse, okay, total the body should not movement. Without nerve impulse, muscles are not contracted. If the muscles are not contracted, the body movement is not there. The body is going to autopsy. The body is going to autopsy. That means dead body. For example, you must be observed the dead body. What beta? In the dead body, brain is dead. Brain is not function. Respiration is not function. Digestion is not function. Circulation is not function because of brain died. So brain is a key role. Brain is a boss. That is very important for nerve impulse and muscle contraction. That is going to we are discussing about in the nerve impulse, structure of neuron, total review. So that is one of the metabolic activity. And one more important activity is there, ma. Okay, total body, internally and externally. Internally, externally. Internally, externally. It completely, remembering one thing, to control the very important thing. Internal structure, external structure to control by the brain. Okay, clear. But internal body maintenance. Okay, internal body coordination. That should be controlled by, like water, like pH, like like what ma? Like cytoplasm, electrolytes. Everything should be balanced. Everything should be balancing purpose. That is called homeostasis. Control and coordination of body fluids. Control and coordination of body fluids, water, pH, nutrients, body temperature, everything is called homeostasis. That is what ma? Homeostasis is there. And one more thing, internal development purpose, sometimes external development purpose, which are coordinating. Some secretions are secreted. Some secretions are secreted from one of the particular system is there, that is none other than, what is ma? Come on, tell me, any idea? Any idea, Rajita? That is called endocrine system. What beta? Endocrine system. That is called endocrinology. Endocrinology. So we are discussing about what is endocrinology, what is endocrine system, what are the endocrine glands are there, what are the function, what are the structure. We are discussing about the endocrinology. These are the completely topic that is called what ma? That is called physiology. Physiology, right? In the physiology, first digestion. Okay, what mana? What digestion? Definition of digestion. Okay, definition of digestion. Here not importance of structure. Here importance of types of digestion. Internal digestion, intracellular digestion, extracellular digestion. We are discussing about in this topic. What is digestion? What is intracellular digestion? What is extracellular digestion? Right? Next one, carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, lipid digestion. Okay, total digestive mechanism. Total, yes, Radhika, any doubt? Radhika ma? No doubt? No doubt? Okay. So what beta? So just today you are going to listen. I would like to review overview. So what is that? Come on, tell me. Digestion, intracellular digestion, extracellular digestion. Okay. Next what ma? Digestive mechanism. That is carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, and lipid digestion. Cellulose digestion also there. What beta? Cellulose digestion also there. That is very important thing. Okay, next one more important thing is there. Okay, gastrointestinal hormones. What are the hormones are key role in the digestion? That is called gastrointestinal hormones. Why we can call it gastrointestinal? Come on, tell me, any idea? Gastro means what, beta? Gastro means what?
Gastro means it will somewhere connected to our stomach.
Very nice, very nice, very excellent. Gastro means the hormones are which are secreted from alimentary canal, like stomach, like small intestine, like liver, like pancreas, like duodenum, like large intestine. Okay, these are the alimentary canal, right? So the hormones, that is called gastro, stomach, and intestine. Intestine means you know very well. Small intestine, duodenum, jejunum, and ileum also, right? The hormones which are secreted from alimentary canal, especially stomach and small intestine. Stomach, small intestine, pancreas, and liver. So these hormones are secreted from that gastrointestinal hormones. What are the functions of gastrointestine hormones? Where it is secreted? It is secreted from where? That will be coming long question, right? That is we are discussing about the digestion. Next, already told you, after digestion, what they required? Circulation. Circulation. In the circulation, what we are discussing about? Okay, in the circulation, what is circulation? The structure of mammalian heart. Okay, the circulation mechanism, heartbeat. Okay, regulation of heartbeat, and tachycardia and bradycardia, and types of hearts, types of circulation. Understood? Try to hope understand. Once I repeat. What beta? Whether you must to be imagine these topics in the brain, visualization, you will get answer. Right? So that is what beta? Circulation. In the circulation, heart structure. Okay, types of hearts. Types of hearts, nothing but we are discussing here. Neurogenic heart, myogenic heart. Right? Mammalian heart. Structure of mammalian heart. Heartbeat. Cardiac cycle. Okay, regulation of heartbeat. Okay, tachycardia, bradycardia. Tachycardia, bradycardia. Tachycardia simply but increasing of heartbeat rate. Increasing of heartbeat. That is called tachycardia. We'll discussing about later. Bradycardia, decreasing of heartbeat. Increasing of heartbeat. Increasing of heartbeat. The heart will be increasing heartbeat fraction of second. Fraction of second it will be going to so many beatings. Actually, how much heartbeat rate? Come on, tell me. Anybody can say?
70 to 80.
Very good.
Normal person.
Right, that average is 72. Right? Average is 72 for second or minute?
80.
Second or minute?
I think minutes, sir.
Very good. So not second, minute. Okay. So that is 70 to 80 times. That is average 72. That is a normal heartbeat rate. Okay. So that is we're discussing about in the circulation. And circulation mainly two types: open type of circulation and closed type of circulation. Okay. So that we're discussing about in this circulation. After circulation, next what beta? After circulation, we are going to discussing about none other than the metabolic activity, that is respiration. Padma, in the respiration. What is respiration? Types of respiration, very important. And in this respiration, what beta? We're discussing about very important transport of gases. What beta? Transport of gases. That is oxygen transport. In the oxygen transport, very important, that is Bohr effect, okay, and oxygen dissociation curve. These are the very important. Bohr effect, oxygen dissociation curve is very important. And carbon dioxide transport. The carbon dioxide transport we're discussing about, that is fluoride shift. Padma, fluoride shift. That is very important. Last, regulation of respiration. Regulation of respiration, that is nerve respiration and chemical respiration of regulation. So this is a very important of respiration topic. Next, excretion. Okay, in the excretion, okay, what is the structure of kidney? What is the structure of nephron? Okay, and urine formation and counter current mechanism. And one more important, based upon the nitrogen waste products. Based upon the nitrogen waste products, that is monotelic, next ureotelic, next uricotelic. What beta? Monotelic. Which animals are to secrete, which animals are to remove the ammonia through the urine, that is called monotelic. Right? Which animals are to secrete or to release urea in the urine, that is called ureotelic. Which animals are to release or to secrete release uric acid in the urine, that is called uricotelic. Based upon the ammono products, based upon the nitrogenous waste products, that is mainly monotelic, second one ureotelic, third one uricotelic, and the examples. Okay, these are all the topics we'll discussing about the in excretion topic. And next topic, muscle. Structure of muscle. The structure of muscle fiber, and very important in the muscle, types of fiber, types of muscle fibers. Okay, and very important last, sliding filament theory, that is called what would a muscle contraction and energetic. Okay, this is a very important of Varma. So this is very important. Sorry. So that is muscle contraction, sliding filament theory in the muscle contraction, right? Next, after muscle, neuron, that is nerve impulse. Okay, structure of neuron. Okay, what is nerve impulse? What is resting potential? What is action potential? Conduction of nerve impulse. What is synapse? What is synaptic transmission? What are the neurotransmitters are there? These are the topics we are discussing about in the nerve, that means neuron. Okay, here we need not to study about the anatomy. Anatomy we already discussed it in the previous semester, right? Third semester. Okay, that is nerve is completed. Now one more important, that is endocrine system. What would endocrine system? Study of endocrine glands. Study of endocrine glands, that is what ma? Study of endocrine gland, that is called endocrinology, endocrine glands. In the endocrine glands, structure, function, secretion of endocrine glands. That is the smallest gland, that is pituitary gland. Okay, next, biggest endocrine gland. Smallest gland is pituitary gland. Biggest endocrine gland, that is what beta? Biggest endocrine gland, that is thyroid gland. Beta? Thyroid gland, that is also called thorn apple. That is also thorn apple. I would like to give on one side. This is overview. I'm saying that overview only. Don't bother about that. Okay, smallest pituitary gland, biggest endocrine gland, that is thyroid gland. Next to parathyroid gland. Next to endocrine gland, that means adrenal gland, pancreas. Next is okay. These are all the endocrine gland structure, function, and secretion, metabolic functions are there. Both endocrine glands, right? Next, in the endocrinology, so concept of hormone function and regulation. How the hormone is functioning on the target tissue, how the hormones are functioning in the target organ. We discussing about that, right? In the endocrinology. In the endocrinology last topic, what are the sexual hormones? Very important. What are the sexual hormones on male and females? Any idea? What are the sexual hormone of male? What is the sexual hormone of male? Anybody can say?
Yes. Testis.
Testis to secrete sperm. Testis to development by the hormone that is called testosterone. Okay, very good, excellent answer, Varun. So that is testosterone and female hormones, that is called estrogen and aldosterone. These are the male and female sexual hormones. And female sexual hormones, which are, what are the hormones are? Regulation and control and coordination in menstrual cycle of female especially. So that's very fantastic topic is there. So about the endocrinology of a major play role of sexual hormones on the reproductive system, right? That is one of the important things. This is a complete physiology. Anybody can say the physiology topic of who is the father of physiology? Who is the father of physiology? Anybody can say? Who is the father of physiology? Anybody can say? I want answer. Tell me, Tagdish. Joha. If it is not say the mic, you must be type it. You must be use chat box. Okay. So the father of physiology, William Harvey. Who's ma? William Harvey, father of physiology. Okay. Father of endocrinology, who's ma? Thomas Edison. Who's ma? Thomas Edison. Not Alva Edison. Thomas Edison, father of. Okay. So that is very important. Next. So this is a overview of that means physiology, first and second unit, and tomorrow we'll discussing about the one by one. Last topic that is called biochemistry is there, that is study carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, mechanism, metabolism. Well, the third unit is there. Okay, so this is the overview of physiology and biochemistry, right? Tomorrow we'll go to continue the class. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma?
Sir.
No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. And you must be informed. Now it is clear, very clear, na?
Yes, sir. Overall, it was very nice.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you. All
I
of.
think so nice.
Okay, thank you, ma. So today's session is end. Tomorrow we'll continue same, right? Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.